Uromburaza zvapedzi.
Dori, then when is batch? Hey, for a change.
Anchumbora iwe ne. Zvito samene ndira chipachi chosha mara ndichiyamba loudspeaker.
Not 12 Pro.
Ndiyamba loudspeaker.
Man, 12 Pro Max. Ni Pro. Ni Pro kana Pro Max.
Pro.
Ndi cool. Ina taro. Neka the shims 11:1.
Ni mtu kana ini anandava na zvinepi hapo. And then we umera ka YouTube, that's why.
If you
Kunyaka umera ka ndida mukona into is a vlog. Manguya. You guys are not ready.
so talk over.
No, man, I found your dala, I eat mini.
You daranga znipe zwa nini munne. Zineni azina na mshumo probably the gig double fistos za 2022.
We are ready. Check 1 2 1 2. Is my mic fine?
Nice. Ngadiblela thi episode yera tamara kona madi. Ndinya go fa.
Was there we but ref no diambisa ngabathu hey. Ref no diambisa ngabathu.
Mara wana nor guy. Hey, Paragon. The TV, come and switch off this TV muna.
Hey, but why?
Mara is part of the thing.
Ne.
Okay, ne.
Did you
on the TV.
Okay, I can then.
Just move something there instead of instead of the.
You can just show me. Everyone faces.
Even if it's not a timer, anything Paragon.
We're
2 minutes in. Oh, put the.
Big 5.
Anything besides ourselves, Nje. And this should be part of the episode. Hey, wamba waba, but I said 1 hour na 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yeah, you just dash bora wish.
Yeah, it's nice. Kona the diamond. The diamond.
It's no bora. Nah, it's diamond. No bora. How to bora so?
Hi, anyways, how are you?
Sotoma.
Home.
Oh damn.
How are you, man? Hey, it's been a while.
Yeah.
No one. Why watu vachirindiza deki vachidzinwa? Atiza deki. Kids ndizone.
Dai, nizatodzivona.
R. These are Rolls Royce.
Yeah, mbora. This is the big game. And then as what this was it, what do they look like?
Sazi ziri big game. Ndidzezo.
Oh.
Ufa azitoga chisava dzezo. Rani ka screen. Guys, isn't please the ARV. In one. Auna panado in ya robot.
Panado.
Za yakhala ya robot.
Tinopelizo nopakiwa.
No, panado aipakiwi.
Iro
ringo ndi ikudhura
na clinic kana tori.
Hayi,
mina mini ndi panido for panado.
I was going to pass pen block over zwingo no.
As panado?
No, I don't think so.
Really?
Maziko madina nkwato derejo. Yava bati?
Guys.
Yathoy babi.
Che? Ende Thomaso ubaba yiko don't relax amabuti. Ndasichaba afro. Ase ubaba milomo ya pinki nasibira lip gloss. But anyways, apart from the headache, I'm okay, I think. How are you?
I'm good, man.
It feels weird when I ask you how are you because I never ask you like.
No, you always.
And
do.
Uber because we did. No, we do it for the show. Come on a random day, I'll never say, "Sure, yeah, how are you doing?"
Wrong. I don't know.
Yeah, it feels weird. I would think you're about to die or you're sick or something. Yeah. Something is wrong with you. Like
maybe sick. Sort of, I would know.
Okay, my friends actually don't ask how you're doing. If it's I don't know what this.
Fista zichiditali gura.
Yeah, well, they say, hey, Urmini, how are you? Are you okay? Hey, I'm like, okay, this is cute.
Hey, anyways, guys, welcome to another episode of the Black Couch. Okay, episode 30, man. Another third decade of the thing. Very soon.
50 requested to champagne.
Really?
Yes.
La.
Champagne.
That's how
I said what I said.
So we're coming at you live from Venda Studios. 38 Mele Street. Oh, no shkitantu. Nicho dano kushuta music video.
Right here.
Why sit down?
hausi kudzuliwa rwimbo rothe
ngaula muthu avhudzula fhala aula vhe na ri aula vhe atakwa wakwamba kafuna
ndovona ndichina vanga voneta badi avoneta kudzula he looked exhausted like ngomango hausi kudzula yethe
I don't know nne ndichikoamba ndichikoseta
ndiesiya music video muthu dzida kuita so
probably
I cannot lie.
Sofala yellow.
Did what I'm supposed to do.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
We need to be 138 Miller Street, Braamfontein, and you can contact them on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. Oh, okay. That's just so. Okay. Yeah, that's just it, man. So no, I'm okay. Venda, it's good to be back. Yeah. Venda go diva now.
Venda diva.
For some reason, I have to jambore why mara. Venda is nice.
No, yana Venda aboko bora. Ni ubachena okay. Ari chizomserka dzura wani nichi ya wabora. Never.
I feel like Venda is always
I miss
a blast.
home so much. Like I'm so homesick. Like and now when any chances no hayani. I just want to go home, even if it's for a day.
What do you miss from home?
There's just something, there's something about Orania yani. Like, there are mbeteni hulawa yani. It sleeps different. The sleep is different. Waking up, naimanda kamirenje. Murenje yukanda pasi. There's something about uona miri. There's nothing. You can't go downstairs na mirenje.
Oh, you mean
you
like
get what I'm
actual
saying?
feet?
Yeah, like barefoot.
Nikoreni kwamba story. Utovwana kaniri mkamlenye na kanda fast.
Ngoya ngojena watu wasakandi pasi. Ndikara wasatadzi technique nikudombuza roneo.
Ninte kazo ini. Nakama zosakanda fast. Why were you guys asking me zonto? Uzori ndiko odeni, why ndisani uzindiko odeni ila shfika.
Ndobudziwe zvachoti
ndozanganyi.
Nandina muthu goroini ndikubva mushone ari ane mungano wamatira ndari azvikona dzei ari no ndomubona ndari vathu vabdzimu there's no way listen to me
okay, it's
I'm not
fine.
saying it's never gonna happen.
Nah, what
right now
never,
no,
relax. No, somebody's never gonna happen.
No, I'm not saying it's never gonna happen.
Irani, I'm not saying or it might never happen. So ngodore never nga ni sure that you are on a later stage.
Yeah, uzitoita yeah.
Why the cock good day?
No, neta kashango. Chinotoka chitarata ndoya na wamfunzi. And even abafunzi baso vale vathu vavaisha ngori makoro we are netisa. You guys are like
honey. Nimbe mfunzi no netisa.
But then haven't you seen or there's a common thing in vafunzi vanje vafuna ishumisa like it's either you were, and funny enough, we spoke about this a few days ago. It's some friends of mine. So it's either
this are the source.
no, matter no.
You can say people from work, people.
Okay, yeah, my colleagues. It was my
boyfriend. All those things. One of the things.
It was my colleagues.
Yeah. Okay.
What I'm saying is, it was a random conversation. Somehow, there's always a connection between mufunzi ada uristory chawe chingi chapfarani wana kamza kwambrio I used to drink, I used to do this, I was gangster kana ndoto rembulwa like it always feels real actually ndoto rembulwa I'm coming from
I know one pastor was a gangster.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. I think
okay
never did.
I don't honey.
Last time Richard Banga phone was calling Gingy, but it's fine, let's pass. Remember the call. Those are phone. Mara black you need to hey. I'm like, come on, guys.
Okay, Arabic as just.
Somebody but boy engage the views to Zamra.
Yeah. How me we? They want to if you I don't know.
Yeah, Mara somebody last.
I'm just saying Uri like it always feels kana baba kunya guri ba kokodze mo people in the church in the name of I was once like you, so you can. Yeah. I don't know what the story is. So you can
also change.
Yeah, I don't
Not
know what the
everyone should
is.
be like that, guys. If it's for Nimufunzi, you see, like now, I feel now already, because he's a pastor. As long as Tomayari, Rande Shango,
you get it. Because as Ivanjimane, now when I'm talking to Tongisorio, I've always had like a good life. I grew up in a Christian family. I started preaching at like 6 or whatever. No, it's
no,
always
probably started at 4.
Okay, it's okay. It's always stories like
andichifa chikufunza nawo nawo
ndonochipa
niye fastini kuti ndochipa wait mutsirire ovani Okay, it's fine.
He's always been like that.
Nah, chanozvipera bato.
No, ndikozamumbura atiumbulisa idhi yamusiro yozabva. Atina story. Unless aitozvita svisvini zvakuma mara then that means oh, wow. Then that probably means ova achizvidzumba still zviyambori ova akadhiva na image yabufunzi. Because atumburi una zvishu zvimwe zvinoenda ngari mutsire right mini nah. Mutsire
take it like
this,
this,
naughty story.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
He's a good boy, man. I guess.
Yeah, so here's the thing. Even maybe zumba na me. Don't you think maybe there's pastors even now they're able to hide their things no equatory? Like they portray this person and then I'm one behind the pulpit, but then
I think a lot of them. I think a lot of them. What's the story with the Hillsong thing? I don't know if I check up, but I heard Uri, the lead pastor or something, like there's a whole fight.
Australia.
Yes, Australia. Apparently there's something about him. It's either molesting or raping. Something along those lines. So do you understand?
And with pastors,
I don't believe you would start there.
No, it's never Ramwana kuna be. It's always rape.
Ndingori Ramwana kuna be, it's okay. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah,
it's not a big deal. Only till actually rape, but that's when the whole world stops. You know?
True.
Because
and it did.
I feel like there's an exception because they are human at the end of the day. There are days where matada abato. Imagine I'm to mfunzi but matada amu amkona anga anyi. Sometimes comes to jia dare survivor bachiri ku whiskey. Do you understand?
Then kama ndiyo matada shikara ndo kufonga ako.
About you do jamu mshumu habo. Ini wana kama the therapist adimwe, but don't you think?
I don't know.
I feel like they have a coping mechanism. There's no way.
Probably.
There's no way. I want to know that the 9 and with the Riando whatever to a 7. Speaking of
that, do you think if I go to a pastor mfunzi una rights zoya jero mfarisa kana
rights akavara zvarakanisi hanganisi
until zvichiwana nazvo nezvino akonori sorry sani okay sorry tanga not sani like now it's like
ndikamba
so yeah,
but yeah, I don't know why vafuzi vachitoda na chitori choraro, but asho uchirambirwa vafasi nendi nendotomoita.
Yeah, it's always like that, hey. Bunja abafunzi nekutambura bari.
Mwana motambura uri it's not a big deal.
So yeah, and then also ndo yange in VNFM what depend if me I was like imuna ninga don't just diversity. There's no tomanga pizza on. And then the minute you talk about chipinga, so there's where vanisha. I was like, there's no way.
It's just like
na film only one guy. And then I said,
and in initial film because ndandu kuita cheresa tini kuita. And I go for asivese ndi mutu. That go for a local case. I'm told you know while I'm like, damn, I am the problem.
So I was like, there's no way, guys.
But I think that's the fun of the game. The fact that one watch pinga.
Yeah,
exactly. You definitely because I will not chipinga. It only 30 seconds.
Exactly.
It's the fun of it. That's what the fact that una chipinga like you don't know ngati nimani kusikuita zingozvitona hakiwa nga vote like it's just it's always
vote na musikola.
Kasho just did it over. I'm like, oh my God, not now.
And it's always when you're in a hurry or something is so serious.
I think there's something about time. When you don't have time, I don't know.
So, yeah, man.
So,
yeah, Venda, and then that was it. What else happened in Venda? Oh, Venda Bendo Chita, that episode. Na kila chungwana.
Yes, and to peds.
Why you to fi kila chungwana? Okay, so you have height, titi?
As a moto kuna age.
Nah, she's 21. 22, 21.
Then you move another 22, 21.
Yeah, another 100 height. And then I was like, oh, did she post that? When I talk with a catch, Mara, come move. Okay, I get it. Sorry. I was like, yeah, no, let's all fuck. It is, you know, all the faults that you have. So I was like, Mara, and then there's Rangayo, Arizifi, and also, probably she couldn't hear it because I'm like, damn. I think it was 3 times after I've watched the whole video.
Was it like
Maraji Tom was like, okay, it's gonna pass. Robbie was like, damn.
and like, what the fuck? Or
No, I
was
said,
it
fuck, man. Man, fuck
like
you.
random? Man,
Yeah,
fuck you. I do that all the time.
Exactly. And then I was like, guys, my room try to dinner. But she was like, nah, she's good. I mean, and then I got to shoot also last week because she was a prepare with.
And then in
Then
so people had a problem now. They swear words just because of
why I quit and I'm like,
Venda because that's
like, what's that? All them were told me jump it. Then I'm like, damn, I'm going to see the feel little. It's a kuchi. Exactly, that's what I heard.
What?
Chipekuse.
Ha,
you remember in Venda, probably.
Oh,
yeah, exactly.
And
then also,
very creative. The rich colon. I'd come, but you couldn't come up with a
not
word
into
like that.
invent with language. So they
get to, we had this.
Nice to say language.
Say language. If I mean, it learned how I went to man. Yeah. Then with translation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I think she does something along those lines. That's linguistic. And then also, another thing generalized and if I mean, for guy, I was like, guys, not defender. There's no way what for that shoot up on it. And when I'm on the representative from Vindura, we catch talking her already at bed. Mara, she's good and all that. Mara, ways for not the red.
Mara,
that's the thing. Somebody.
I guess TikTok. Yeah, I wanted to say
TikTok is what?
The clips. Remember, on TikTok page.
And it's always those people. Showing a shot. When I have a video.
We're a bit close. I'm seeing this like Norichana, and I'm like,
Norija. Now, for square guy.
Naga for chippy. I know it as on him.
This was the best friend of the Richard Lilauti. As also, all on one end, I would see you. I wanna out here podcast here.
Oh, okay, no podcast.
Hey, that's why I took it because I'll make okay. Maybe she's used to the camera. Although what you took one, and then. Do you want to joke? I'm a star. What you is? And then they say we never to present her radio about what you want and then the interview also. So I know.
That's nice. I don't know what to say to you.
No, I'm just kidding. So the guy I'll come on that voice note what when you send it text also. Why you lamzana black couch na mini? Like, are you guys fighting? Why Kingsley is taking over and got a nice Janaz into? I'm like, hey, man, this guy didn't the chamber. I want Paba to mean.
What of none, right?
So, Kuma.
Also, I saw Nango Alice. Did you eat? Did you try the pizza? Did you have the pizza?
Asna pizza. Exactly.
Why? Hope you're prepared or something.
First, I'm chini wa minikana.
No lamin.
My chips not the wings.
You need to try the pizza. I need you women and don't need to make pizza.
Also, what the tomorrow pizza pizza I know pizza was nan go to forcing office le wings food. On a quarter. Imagine
I got to steak.
It's fine, man. Anyways, I wanted to talk about Orania. Not the indica. Is it a country or it's a town? Actually, so Orania it's a country. It's a town. Yabatu Mawuru.
Where is it?
It's in South Africa.
Okay.
And then they want to make it a country, I think, because they have their own currency. Exactly. And then Washimsa Ora. 1 Ora is equivalent to 1 rand. So it's basically a rand.
What will change at Zina? But they just don't want to use rand.
Exactly. And then
so Vana currency yawo.
1 Ora.
You eat your guy.
I don't know what's baking it up also. But then I wouldn't say it's a currency. It was like a coupon because I'm going to bake and then also I mean I have value.
Yeah, it's as good as a coupon.
So it's a coupon. It's true. That means the price.
The points. Check extra savings.
So picking pages. And then there's population is around 2.5 to 3,000.
Okay.
And then it sits
Where
on...
where is it, Pano?
The Northern Cape, it? I think it's in the Northern Cape.
Wow, okay.
And then it sits on 800 hectares of land. That's huge. You need 800. Yeah, ball.
Sure.
Exactly. That's how big it is.
For 2.5 people.
Exactly. Just that. And then they manage their own affairs without power cuts and dysfunctional governments. That's one thing she never talked to and talk support about the whole town or country, as they call it. And then I wanted to ask you, what do you think of that? Orania is a country on its own. Oh,
well, which could be over guy.
So
the rest you voted DA?
No, Freedom Front Plus, not DA. I think the president stays there by VF Plus. I'm not so sure. Yeah, Mara, I just wanted to know.
I'm just shocked that I didn't know about it.
I just want to know your views on that thing.
Uri, on the fact that
what did Shango Lawo, Chingwana Chingwe, it's just them. They don't allow any black person inside. Actually, this one they're saying Uri, the same way in Soweto, you won't find a white person. So it's the same thing that we did. We just not
so
doing it.
Nendaya, go. Okay, obviously I will not in the Rangish States because okay, that's I don't know how obviously it's racist.
Yeah.
Very racist. Mara I just go because I would like Venda to do the same thing.
That's where I was going off.
like deep down, I wish Venda could do
the only
the
reason
same
this
thing.
topic is on this prep is because that's where Venda is supposed to go.
Yeah,
guys.
because I'm like, I took a Jaja Uri. They want to be on their own. That's what they want. It's okay. Problem ingaba comes already happy nendo one you want to go drive past in the Ruiwa kana na height.
Driving past him guy through Orania.
Okay, I'm just saying. Or hanga to fikamusi wongwana somehow mistakenly kana ndo yana mungana wa muburu and Ruiwa or anything happens.
Why na mangana babatu batu? And I don't think you'll ever have a friend and have a mburu and Orania. Probably one too.
No, but I don't think the entire place. And I don't think na shangolo tena bana baone ba racist. It's very possible. Uri, I've been imagine the battle 3,000. Una bane aba Jenny hapo. Bango ba UJ mara achia yanuka Orania.
Mana invest yao.
No, but I'm sure as someone on Jenna on so the entire aba V.
Like then
I don't want that because Nelly Venda must have that chava. Still want us to travel. I still want us to do stuff outside. Ni mumburo wandu ninga roba na shango niko bona bathu ba 3,000 in entire life.
It's not that CVs. I think bazita one ngachawo.
So mutagasi wabo bato itamin ba wana guy.
But is it solar? No, so and in the Northern Cape it's hot. So they always have enough power, probably from solar.
I'm sure
it has the pump, but it has clean madi. But that you wanna change. The kids are on Calvary. No, it's very safe here. You walk around at any time. 8 o'clock, north. I'm like,
because I'm sure that the security they are very.
The
security
I want security. They are their own security.
You mean I'm sure bashumi sama security abone bane amaburu ala ononga apartheid ane awuna mutana ngazamojena because already baba sina security bashikori we are on security come on South Africa pana bada bono generiyo. There's no time to waste. So I feel like they do have security. They are not hiring black people as security. So I feel like that's the security that they have because if they didn't, honey, we don't care. I'm
pretty sure
they weren't gonna go in.
They'd kill you. They look like people who don't play. And also labor, they had labor. And all of you gonna find black people who are labor. They do it themselves now. Because the one they mean, is it an office space? Gana one man walk to it and
Nangade what they did.
Yeah, obviously.
Small jobs like this.
Yeah.
They must just do their thing, man.
Yeah, so I was actually thinking of something like, because no, this is so racist, I mean, and then this is so racist, this is what South Africa needs. But what most of separate then
that's true.
Probably if say they had a plan you the solar South Africa but it's Northern Cape you know that area is something like that.
You know what I'm saying? But you don't renga. And it's more expensive.
KZN sugar cane is done for South Africa. So if I were to separate
Mara, you know what the problem is?
Yeah.
I feel like black people, Rene, we have so much ubuntu to a point. If Venda could do that, we wouldn't be racist. I think we are just like that. Because you know that little fake smile that they do? I don't feel it. I don't know. It's just in me. If I was to do the same kai, like there was a white woman pandanga ndi ulisti. Abalamke guru wako chimira. Ngozo ila line ya ulisi yani. Auno feelinga overtake. Wako chimira wako sedza chitu nobezo biyo kasite. And she's walking really slow. Uri nendi badero uko tioro ufukevon. So I kept on saying sorry. She looks at me as a panano, it doesn't never go it. I didn't react. If it was a white person, do you understand what I'm saying? I waited.
Do you work here? I just wanted to ask.
Nah, didn't have energy for that. I think I think black people are, or maybe it's just me. Nah,
I don't
so
think
peaceful.
It's all black people
I avoid to snap peace ngandira yote. Like I've okay, kavendiva same and then what? Abenijelwana mutu ugonya ya no BP. You know your heart is like beating fast and then you just ruined your day for
Mara, to correct you, I don't think they all black people. I think while in pop art say, imagine if a Zulu person was to do that. I try to quote. Yeah, when I'm fast. Exactly. And I those we funny.
No,
it's funny for the cheap. That point.
But don't you face? But don't you look at the like this is peanuts and I was like, okay. It's okay, let me let her. And Baba Muru and also as a Mukua so I was like, whatever.
So, guys, it's just to Venda we so welcoming. That's what I do. Get in. And then also, man, I saw this other thing. It was trending on TikTok, but then that was first combi Facebook. Calvary.
Whatever.
Did you see the videos? So I want to follow up in Pastor Mufhamadi.
Yes, Avalani. Yeah, the poster.
Yeah, so
what?
So what happened is that Timmy Morella waited Kirkeni Calvary.
Okay.
And then so family comes with an MC. The MC. This skinny guy was lawyer.
Okay, what comes to Muvhango Timmy?
Yeah, that guy could Shimasa MC. And then I just going to MC Sakrek, and then I'm like, okay, cool. So I turned to the first comment on Facebook. I saw the Facebook guys. I don't know.
Yeah.
And then after that, mid service, I think towards the end, which come from Motelazori. If you guys have anything that you wanna offer, say some condolences to the family, please do bring it. But good. Sorry. Ezo azungadoitiwa pakerekeni kara mtakonya kuofara kato yaninge mdini himuna like
what was the fight about?
I don't know.
Yo, that's weird though.
Very weird.
Because
I
mean, even
pastor, female lead pastor.
Do you get what I'm saying? And it's been okay. Problem yangandi occasion asimunyanyani. This is
exactly.
Niko amba unabana bamtu or like unabana boluza and whatever and and that's what you want to say. Like I don't care urendwa dzadzihani mara nyazidiboro una rufu we put things family when I went azino mara riabe tunga mraura bulunga shuzapira
exactly.
So
and then also
I'm sure that it's deeper than that.
Family
I'm sure una problem in irnaridi tirnerko bona izo zebamba pezi adizwambo before are these family as what family you know Tomao because we only have one part of the story.
About Dumar Ozi videographer live.
Marango videographer urindwa yotomaga or videographer.
Amaratanga si mdini.
The only thing we have is her saying ezwa ngaitu ipanos de itwaya.
And it's not always
and
it's not always all the time
matamba isa tutoma memoriala. Areli bomebo se monga matamba isa tutoma memoriala. Imagine in the
about the council Amara, right?
No, ningaona bokondela bafa bufunzi bukopupa bodzula variases vakadira na offering ready bago.
And here's what I was thinking now that not it's an offering not a condolence. Or realize if I bet you they offering ya kirkeni it's a kirki. So you can see offer kirkeni ya vayamdin. The thing she had that in mind.
Jaiti wa yaba.
Mara, maybe she had that in mind. Ingasinikediwe.
Kerekeni rene outside we happy. Una party ya nyinyi kubvizwa chirede. Kamzo party ya ruwe. We would take out money.
Just in there.
Kare, unakachimberiwa. I don't know what exactly. I don't know if you want to take out something you can. It used to happen a lot.
I don't know about it, eh?
Namusi kamsivana vo wana hezvila zvene rari chiri pasa grade 12 hafi nyinyi wana decision ngana haya anikeri still iyatuwa so zori ndiko hanedza point yanu yori cheredi yabva kerikini ayibvi that's not true.
Alikutambo hey uro dafi ndia offer na mini like
probably
watu wako visa
remember
50,000 watu ibone ko tuwe ko overhaul usiyo ditwa kerikini angani ngobada na venue.
No, why do you bada venue ndikereka pano ndivisa tithe.
That's the thing. So khasutwe mdini wami there's no wazazi because I'm waiting aphala pet probably just that arena defects zote mara hey
nah.
And then also I feel to anama my bucket ya 4 anama I ndino ko trend ezvin
ila video ndizva ndilufulu ya ndobona video gift zira ku post ka charity
like we post
but I was thinking the joke zvoitia wepetu
auna joke utswa nama
hale pala jamburi nikombrela mumbrelwa ndi bombe nerdorwanga tamu
ntomwambe
ardorweswa ndokaideswa erdofodelo ya episode isi drapaka baby basho
nena mianga ndizvanda mana ndari eziko uya Calvary
nani vodoro vatomana musi uri sare chidropa rive rono liamba bono pamumburo wangu
uri mara zikodrazo so ela tiri but vatu vedu tanganedza zvine vadowana musi usholiwa ndinyika nevari ndipfidivizorekwanda vese enafulufulu teshimsoinela line zviro vatu vatotanganedza zve vawana ngori
and I don't think avala vetu it doesn't look like orengwana maisi enough. It doesn't look like orengwana maisi enough avala vetu.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that orengwana manji blind but
nisho ndikoromo
what ende vatu vafumakadzi vobika vayatsva
rufuni utotsviwa nazvo una
besides rufuni hothe dzikerekeni dziventeni hothe minyanyani
miyanu makati mwepiyo kereke baitame maseva
bakend yakayachirarero
zvamborano namonisi nji blind. No, you just said.
Yeah, so she does Holy Communion and what else? Cleaning.
Okay,
she's a jack of all trades. That's one thing I've said. I've seen
pine gel.
What's rubber? At
least in the myanga avo kasuzo no vakadzikwaya no decorate
Beyonce sell Beyonce
atikojera futiroti timwana wa
vaka triple S yake vajena ke
cherries
triple S cherries
triple S chore the reason ayajirwa
triple S even now
ne I remember they used to give me goosebumps then imagine now. Nah, they were very
I don't think they would give you goosebumps. No one to jango.
Gospel every day.
Shout out to your job, eh?
And I'm saying that nyimbo ile. And you're going to record it in the morning or really. Navia nari kandi rupanda ni apenga ndinaro lwa taki kairo na ula mtu moya wanga.
Na take show
goes on every.
Take shows.
That guy.
Hello Titi.
You don't know if Ebenezer show there.
Every song yeah. Let's give
Cairo flowers too.
Yeah, she's good. I don't think
that girl is a
competition. Mara, I don't think she has
worship
competition.
Yeah,
hey, I don't think she has.
Venda no Hana. Venda
Hana competition.
You know what she gives me? Because earlier duando yakaila concert at Travis Green and she was performing. So she performed. Ntokoze ndiye performer before. They're the two people but in
I going to the Maverick City one. I
don't know worship house. Satanism.
Worship house ndipi?
Tukambordo indera dzedza local.
Rufuno dagada.
And una rufuno rini Ali was telling me about it akurigarie.
Chimrani beo.
Why? Nishtoka ni amnyara.
Timnyara.
Ina beef.
No, ndiko twamburi. Rego advertise the event hapo rio pumura yoshi.
Mara ari ione ti ari kwamba nozoriganya ndinozoigayo whatever.
Exactly, and to mute. Hey party ngaitenisi bona.
Nikorela ninongona.
Atukorwa. And also nikambezo ati. Unatsinga chende tantu. Namu textera nikonya gore let's shoot and awuvula aziphinda. I was like, yeah, that's it, it's cool.
Ngori hani DB also.
Exactly. Ndahlangana naye na kereke ndamba naye and isihambe zoshoota ndotomulumelisa.
Aza kudiba no
Because he saw me run ko move around ko forward. Probably kunyanga sniper zvawo.
Okay, Mara, that was a good opportunity for you to introduce yourself.
Nah, man, it's not all the time.
Okay, yeah. Maybe I didn't know the after church in Duni, Hayani, if he had come to mission or something. Yeah. Usi no wana bakwa goreini bakuchimbira.
Exactly. What done
you kwamba lufuno dagada ti. Nenda ndikwamba ndikuumbula ufenye. Ndikuumbula ropiwa in my head kumula uko daya ropiwa. Yeah. That's the 1 year ale R&D the year ropiwa. I think
there's another 1 year ropiwa.
I don't know. Nendo rambo I think ngori nando duzoto kuenda kusikota enda so
anyway. Oh, and then also tell.
Ini no renetka si Andreas fuwane goosebumps ngoni mtu goosebumps ngoni mtu asha.
No goosebumps. Ngezo ni goosebumps karukanda. Ne babu goosebumps. Yambani.
You are not funny.
Ambani, afuna ngofiri kunijera chipinga. Yeah.
I'm saying no ringori ndo mtu asha. So nifunga native figures for. Nena ini arishare the playlist ngopone ndo akabato.
Hum not to share playlist to teach so funga reashare na.
No, but I listen to gospel every day.
Nene ringo rwana unondo ni rwao.
So let's start here. Is Richie no bawashango. What is it that I'm doing now that I wasn't doing then? Ndiko triple S.
Andikoda mboni dinjera ati piano mfana.
Not even.
Nane ndi dinjera.
Then is those ndi ndote ati the piano ndi the piano ndi about to just to accommodate other people. I don't listen to piano on my own.
Why do you do that? Why is that gospel in now what?
Atinye kubora bathu namsindi na afrobeat chitambini na bathu
wona abani bore bachikuleza piano
and maybe I'm too kind na atinye ku I always want to be the bigger person atiko ndaradzura na bathu kana abo nendo faro ox I'm not going to play asake
one good is coming ox
who's the ox like ure unendera ku control a gorini or something let's say we're on a
sort of ox rani iri kuita bluetooth kana apple CarPlay ox
ini vanhu vachimuranga zvitraka I'm sure auna bluetooth I don't get why you're saying chila chitraka cha SKA chita bluetooth
chinayo
even worse achina na radio yezila zero badza wachkwama nitsanayo hela radio
ioneka bluetooth hapo
ila radio ya JVC yonotsiwa nayo ndiyo nena kwamore don't fucking lie
Mahindra nsongombuza antu nne
chila Mahindra chila chisinana ila radio ina ndotiko booster isapali
ai boost wichitu anyway shout out to SK
ile ino ima kwasha
ile company thina rangambanga 1 hour
Yesu zitraka zile bako chibula kazo radio ni utsanayo acho atamadende so stop lying don't come here and tell me about bluetooth
speaking of atamadende then there are 3
and don't even echo ndikaimenji
yeah SK diavuye mara shout out
mara that industry is just hectic
yeah I've seen but ndabona ngwana genge we gift noni about 3 don't have okutomo posters video goredzo
uba ukotuwiwa
zotebelana zotonde
ukotuwiwa I don't think I would survive in that industry
nimbuzeni ko though trust me hey nazo kuita mini you get into the business na tomoso kufunga hayi na tasi shumonyana and then ndina mchuma wa 100,000 yeah ningavuwa mara nga2
mara that's true
exactly so it's all about the money not if you namchuma 3,000 then you shoot a guy ngizora ba yompengela mara badorike 100,000 kuma then shoot Cape Town now babuka flight ya 1 ndiko rovedera ngathola fundi kuvuwa ndagila into an airport simple as that it's all about the money
no I hear you so we're going back to the music I was also talking about music uri gospel ndia ifa nendindote it's gospel like the nito jenaka YouTube yanga it's gospel afrobeat na R&B ya kale and the old Drake. Those are my songs. Ndiva ndiko accommodate but atinyango and ndifa ndiko bore ya rodzura na bathu na wana ini ndiko nyango play your favorite song. Why na wana bala bathu madamba nje bono phazila nyimbo za slow and I'm like you can see the crowd rodzura ndichila sindi bra you want to play certain songs. So just accommodate people. Piano is what everyone is listening to.
Yeah, lately.
So ngori satanism.
Okay, sorry. That's satanism. Nandi mtu wa piano.
Nyamkoro down to jambur.
iPhone. I look at all that.
Papa, jambur is not a ring on yamba cativity.
That's when they ring.
My phone.
Also no one of me. Ricky don't want party marketing near Royal Garden. So I was like, damn.
I hope they're paying him well.
How much is well to you?
How much is well to him?
No, to you.
My well is not his well.
Una Benze, so how much do you think his well is?
Nah, I'm sure Maru is cashila.
Benze. Tia to petrol and then a mechanic also remember.
Once in a week. Marina, I don't want any mjala wa weti angamuitela.
Yeah,
Nga
so,
installment adobera words.
I need his name.
We're not darunga na. Okay, just kidding.
I don't know kidding ya motor.
Just kidding. Mara ni fungo ko bedroom game.
I don't know, probably good money. The way I'm sure they're trying to make up for.
Because he is pushing it.
Yeah, I feel like they're trying to make up for what happened last year. And I mean, yeah. So.
In any market, Rafi than him market.
No, good.
For how much? Would you do it for?
I'm not 500 in the rest.
Na rider. I would offer the
Rider, Tafula. I'll be fine.
If she can give you for the friend, rider, you know, Miss Rider. I hate that about promoters. Why don't they come a DJ?
Why don't they just give you like a coupon in Inaya bar?
Exactly. Go A. Ngauri na wana niko to dadiva ngelo duba diva is busy on that day. I'm sure
and they're meant to be busy.
Yes. Ni wane niko skore kabo wait high ndo rinde na diva kama yebutsa diva anifola mtu diva ko muwana aba yeborenga. And the VIP you don't know VIP. Now you must buy or something. So nah.
Yeah, so here's another note to Royal Gardens. My DJ kafu is coupon akona ya bar on ya AJ alcohol.
Tini manono rangana. And zituza ndo nisongo purana because people but bayare ro ni family basiba pezone so.
So if so alright akunyanga Remy Martin Santiago. Sama go 1.5 coupon and enanga ska change mind akona Red Bull.
Ono dana bazana comes change mind ya bazi I shop space or whatever.
So something like that. So
they deserve that. Lo suzori ni to my DJ ange order that it looks and I think they do it on purpose.
Yeah.
So that you need me or need and it's a bad move, man.
But I've never been to Royal Garden. I don't know how it works, man. So
are we going though? This year? We
should go. But I recommend a ticket. Let me tell you how big the blackout is.
Okay, not a cooler box ticket.
Yeah. Speaking of Royal Garden, you realize how big the blackout is, you know? Apparently, there's a chance you're a Royal Garden say your gospel is double.
Really?
Yeah.
Because we
both for guy. They've never spoken. No, they've never spoken about it anyway. One launcher. It's been a month of launch, and I want to gospel, and then all of a sudden
that would be nice.
Yeah, so shout out to us.
No budget here, but they wanna guy.
They will make a plan.
Shembora abantu bazura bana chedia extra. Baba koto muzima root kid.
Root kid amuzima chere.
What's the opiola? What's the mamizo? Shembora what's the mamizo na capable boys. So baba na yo extra. So ambora bachipezo plan na basara boifara. Oh no mara zuna abantu visa line up. So maybe abatupezo badira vaimbi they'll probably cut down that side and then okay makes sense.
Yeah, so apparently it's happening. So apparently it's happening on one of the churches, Venda.
CWC?
Nah, I don't think.
No,
CWC has chaita. That's one thing in Anukamba. So now, okay, Maria.
Mara still, Rena space change panda so.
Yeah.
It disturb. Their lights can murawangi.
They affect minyanya pages, you know, yeah. Makes sense.
Eh, kamusi na
ine. Ngoruti pa matafura cha jena ti pala petu.
Oh, shomuri batwa minyanya batwa rodronga ba conference.
Kana mrawangi.
Ba conference ni minyanya.
Exactly. Yeah, so ya roda. Azambori ntitira badera. Royal Gardens kana nthu ya pa tikiti cool zote na za gospel. So we know what to talk about.
Nene somo ntindi chimra na crew.
Ai crew ya no mashudu mabi. Nendo black house. Ntukez.
Nendina
what go to black house was good rain.
Okay, so it's fine.
What go ya gospel bari pa yangi. So we know.
Za gospel bari pa na za bomiasho.
Ini abakhola.
Mara bangasiba nongwana osokuduma obasoko benefita. Awunacho no baba ufana na no sokopi. Miyawapha. Basina nayo I bet if it wasn't for her that is your fan. So would you less abone and then manjaka chaka period.
Hey, I don't know this.
I am who I am because
so those tickets and then we go.
We just found tickets.
Into gospel.
Ini no reba koripa heads the gospel
na gospel we build up, yeah. Yeah, so
Sani.
anepo krikin hey son if you chonisa son
Sania
So
the
request
baby
to
Naruti.
require real Gadensia gospel give us tickets we get there vari panera ticket ine rito konobona zvavudi and review you get it
Or probably give us a space where we've got a couch and a backdrop and lights, and then we'll
After
interview. Yeah, and then
Yeah.
we can interview like 1 or 2, 3,
or
4.
all artists with the
Yeah, just, yeah.
mini 5 minutes
Yeah.
hi guys nifini
And then bangwanena namtana donrungena rock.
nazvambori mbarava ugotecheresesa yepati yantu nendinadzo suti mbarava nyoutandoramba rina suti
Nene market.
chenendambara
Irina maglaf.
ha ini asi munyanya ti Venda wapisa
Oh, Venda is hot. Dambara glaf la net.
and then build up will continue Royal Gardens event the main event
The main. Hapo ndiko damadekia Gucci. Yeah.
VIP tickets
Yeah.
ti the team ringana return ka team
And
1, 2,
13 una ntunantu.
man 1 2 3 4
Olanando. Tuna bale baby
12,
bane
eh,
bakantu.
12.
13 ngawola.
Ardo negotiate nomboro
Okay.
so riko one end and then the guys chinga chichwani ko unwa kechi rider coupon rido nanga panda na vanhu rina mini risongonda ngeri wofiri no afimini
Arinange.
not afimini astropez
Arinange.
ninyonanga mi edifanzo ndani kunya kona mini
Champagne, obviously.
champagne ndi mini matsiku
Depending kore. No, komba ipio uri ndinange uri pio.
ine ko
Namsi, it doesn't even have to be Vev. Namsi imo, it's fine.
amedazo
Kana, okay. Mara, I
Champagne
think,
need black
non
emoji.
is champagne ain't tending or lots of vita like two machero niti. Then astropez is okay. Because imagine, and I got survive, I got see no psychote, uskira machero.
adorpa kipo ina 5000
Return.
nditoko
nifunga chita nifunga bodelo lita ngeinga ngomuro according to you
2.5
so rinwe mabodelo mabiri ri 20
ari 20 kumudza va aripedzise
chotoma yene ndi udobori
tatinokunya
bathu
kuguda zvithu ngaRoyal Garden
why would I want please banga
ini nekumbelani astropez hafononi vadeni payona
mara ndiko hana zva 5000 you are selling us short
ari kurengesa mutu short hafono
natafura 5000 ibe isiwa nyoni na kunyenguri varidzodzeo
vadorisota vanhu vanhu if
5000
wafanira uri kodana kuti vanji mbara if
No, mara 10.
navidzanendote wafana mitera yaona
10.
ndishapu
vathu va 10 no return ripuwe tafura ya 10 rena na coupon ya 5000
vatu vadodhana zvauno ri kuvawanira tikiti yodzura pasi kasofa muntu atirisokoufi ndodhora black achindodhona chine ndafuna ndorichivisira zviturichatanzania udhova kofi tikiti za10 imwe atakunyanya tikiti za4 fedzi ratanzania rasvika rashuta izvezviko heri 10 ikaflight anamba ari kukansela
aroricha
arikoricha mbara
it's fine yoruga 5000 anganwe
it's fine nendinya tikiti neti dhibhadiri nori
okay great na tikiti kadiranyera
tikiti ndikuitoda
niadhibharera
ngayo
niadhibharera
watoitera something handidhibhara tikiti dzadzigigi gospel ndikairenga
azivoma 55 rand lazvo
dzivatsikudhura
dzakudhura
and then tickets dzabva ndi 195 zvino fitsikudoguma rini kana end of July dzivatsikopera ti elibed yaona
hakonobva line up ndizvone zvatrike zvilozvori nirenge notakanisa kubve line up
marketing thing because now
it is
ningasirenge because you don't know who's coming and then when you know who's coming ticket yawe inogonya
mara that's for people that actually care who's coming I don't care who's coming anyway ati petunga line up
I just want JR player to be there 9
did you listen to Mendere
warwa black JR ni munhu huru
yeah that song is good
yo narinangu ya nyimbawo ndomu interviewer
orenga mazaza khane ndomubuza uri asanyimba kalwimbo ludaho
ndambonompa mazaza mara
no otorenga
zvino waya kutonimba
ngori orenga nandina idhuva lothe riko labrayo
guy
Greg ledhuva so
zvemurudisiyo hey anyways I wanted to talk about Muvhango man was Muvhango twa
I wouldn't know
na adiboni na nemara like
hey what was ukuma like aungotamba muroba namze ungatambiza what you mean
tindotobona ile adhu ndikubona mnyanya and then ndikubona mnyanya unoyo cause ona sinetanyirwa mnyanya sinet which has been on the podcast and then I was like heaven huko mbongo zufi season finale And I was like, okay.
Season finale.
Wafera za ukuma. And then the following day ngiyangobona abakotamba femini. Muvhango wakale.
Ende bazvita mara babuya. Remember they once did it. They've done it.
So 2 seasons.
They've done that before though. Babuya. Tiba kushuta. Then babuya. I'm sure they'll come back.
SABC will catch a contract apparently now.
Okay, mara na last time that's what we thought.
Dumanyovu busy kumwara Queen Mujaji.
That's what we thought na last time bachikotamba zakare. Na generations yobiya yazvita. Ya buisa season. No yobiya kare, yobiya buisa season ya kare. Ravari kodobolo.
Yeah, all to our cast yote. Ila chingopandra cast yote. Remember ichibuya ubiya na tubaswa. No ene let me miori femini. Ambani zvinafuna mabanga spande team yote. Asimedza chinepe chatwa generation both wopandero.
Yo, wopera. That's that's kudaba woji mishumo ya watu banji man.
Na sinete chikadrobo na mushumo chadwa chapande.
But at least I'm sure ono diitera dzina rune sinete.
Maybe.
I mean, when she came in as on one rule, like everyone was watching and whatever, maybe udokono wana another show.
Then this party ya munyanya zvakuti wote.
Yeah. So already ogono upusha final episode.
Hey, Mara, I don't know, man. And then I was just thinking, SABC ikotowa, literally. Because while I was waiting for Muvhango, utambe wa mnyanya, akotamba stock fell. 2000 and...
Mara, ikotowa, guys. There's so many things to watch. You know, Apple TV. Ikotowa wana DSTV, it's just SABC.
So I was like, no ways, bro. Let me call it. If I pick up all the roads. It was going to make sense. Like, stock fell. And then remember also SABC like
Stocky, that one.
Chechila, chawo biza na wenyi.
Damn.
Oh, she picked up. Hello. Hey, Sinet, how are you? Hey, why don't you come back to school? And you sharp ma. Uko mfashapu. Hey, we live on the podcast. See? We just wanted to ask you a few things nyana nga Muvhango. TV nchano Anthony. Nchano pandiro kana na livini.
You're putting me on the spot.
Sorry ma. Atorwanyana vava. Odumangi vasi vatu bobona the podcast zavana. What happened? Are you guys off for good or you guys are coming back to 2 seasons after? Zakare.
We don't know yet. We haven't been told anything.
We're still
waiting to hear.
Ni watu wa unemployed na bewo nabo kiki. So what happened, man? Also got decided of mnyanya wo those ko pedza show na mean. Why didn't they just mara tuzana spelling antu. Ngavusho deep ufuna uspela ngarufu.
Tibu tujwa bote.
Ifuna tujwa fu wibe.
Kanoto da bomb.
Yeah, pesa mbango. Like so you guys know nothing about udobu yana mean assistant.
Yeah, we're just like you guys. We're still waiting for them to let us know what's happening.
Mara, how did you feel Vijay have lost?
Vijay.
Oh, which parent? I've been more too.
What do you mean?
Oh, nga the order. Una pension? Una pension kan?
There's no such thing as pension in film. TV.
Man. So I'm going to do it on Netflix or the movie, dane.
Okay.
Azro fara phone, rafo nasi fare rikopira rabidza ndiwawo. Ufinyi. Ndiwo ufimi.
Ufimuranga.
Muranga. Udobidza ene. Udorumbona ka Netflix.
I'm not tired.
All right, sharp. Thanks, ne.
Bye-bye.
Damn. So now what do we do?
That's weird.
Mara anga vachikodzumba. Be vatu va TV ni avadivi. Vanga vudzofi.
Mara mishumo minji ipera so utofira niviti. Ndione ndira is ili na mtusi aningari minga. Ndito babidza uchiwana chika. Asichawafuna.
Adoro magari go clean avo fira.
Utro magari chitupo chikopenya. Uroje na mtupu ushapa zviro.
Yeah,
but ungadiba wopera. I don't know. Mara I feel like are wopera zvakuma they would have told them. Urizopera. And I feel like they owe it to us as well as the viewers. So maybe something is going on.
They did say Uropera. I feel like to me,
Mbaga?
Ropera.
See?
The only time when you email out during COVID, I mean, and since then, what paid us,
Ne?
So, hey, I don't know, man.
I guess.
And then I was actually checking off the local brands after watching the episode ya Ladu Mati. Coming G.
I loved it.
Hey, it was so good, eh? So then got to the guys was away. Come out over 83,000 rock. Kana chikipa cha 43,000. Yet Rene Venda when I'm trying to chikipa 500 roko complain.
Yeah.
Do you see how Rene Venda could mana pandamara? And that thing is not quality. Never felt the quality and I don't know generation. We felt the quality. I called the guy where you got to skipper. Did what as na colors na colors na size. Na skipper that was quality also. Into the obsolete also. Those guys have quality. Don't really far. I'm talking about things not as far. And then I'm pretty sure not they were on the sharp. Now blackout
yeah, blackout I bet.
Never blackout I bet for that price even. So yeah, I was like,
Venda pezi. I think rena problem yo fara 1,000 and the buzuri. Ndiko yeisia ama TD 1,000 yashikipa zviri. I'd rather go to Galaxy Boy.
Exactly. Ndiko Gary one tune. Nankwamba nelati yekau uri. No man, abantu vakupush namini hila shura Galaxy zvisharp mara but rarely chorenga Galaxy and we decided to buy our own things.
That's push them. Because honestly speaking, I've seen better designs kanda. No, it's one as a graphic designing I'm wrong.
That's in those
things are beautiful.
Yes,
La Maruba. They're doing beautiful stuff.
And
did you see there's another guy who art language onokuita Zononga Inga Makosanyana. You've seen I didn't
see it.
Art language.
Yeah.
That guy is good. Mara. Atom abe price yononga ya makosa. Kana someone kana to 1,000. This is basically the same thing. This guy is basically selling the same
stuff.
I
saw this t-shirt at 1.5, you know.
When any wood, sweater. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is.
Yeah, I saw this.
Look at this. Mara abe ya price just utorindia mudiva upfitanga ndingasipetanga 1,000 ndomupfumisa udopfuma and honestly speaking 1,000 ingasimfumisa.
Speaking of Ladu also the guy the way abakozamba ngayo his market as South Africa New York atakusanga hola mwana wa Rupert and then she took the thing to New York
nabo Ricky will believe in him and the Ricky is not like baba chibvaune abvaona otakusiwa bathu bane. It's never the people close to you. It's never people from your hood. That's why you just need to get out of your hood, guys. Vani ka hometown yangu na wanachipinga furuani because it's never people there. Let's say umbori stara tani changandina mtu onorenga ushades kane. Like we're just being honest.
Anamoti yange awana podcast. Arendi adambanji 9.
Filmereda.
It was last true. Nabone miyatanga wakutotenda. Oh, that's mbanje mtu gani. Naona lamzana bapengisana
bakotobuziwa straight
bakotobuziwa fingona bodambanje asizvinaka mtu normal then I was like it's good you guys are watching
baone bathu vanode resupport ati tamne ndichiri staratani changa obviously by my street mara around I can pick uri nyinyo vyarenga mara it's usually people that don't know me like I told you did I tell you uri upinyo lamzana rovyaramba ngaye the TikTok famous ndivo. She bought shades from me. Yeah. She literally reposted because Otomango reposted. Oh my God, I want these, and I know how many followers she has. So namusiba songoda barenga. At least they saw my work. They followed me.
Exactly.
She could have just DM'd me and I want this pair opumura, but she reposted. Ngori handi karabam neighbor wangari. Azadorenga. She bought like 2 pairs.
And me if I were to I love your podcast.
You get what I'm saying?
I
share. I know. Hey, like on reposted and people kept on commenting and whatever.
Oh, I think she's also part of people who never got 2 sets and come get in because she once posted would you want to see at Royal Gardens, but they were comment. So it's getting out there.
Yeah. And then the only people who never to Venda but you said Zakarinda because because we don't really have like platforms or at all. The rest of the people on TikTok Venda they're not doing much. No, like let's be honest. But vanongoamba nga zvithu zvinongoitea. Zviyakonda, but vaope zvinhu zvinokuita zvaro because you get enemies you don't know, you get.
Yeah, true.
So it's not easy.
Ndoloradi kurowa ngazonzi ndidini kana.
Rikamurwesa. Akatoshora nombo orwanga rine. Rikamurwa asiposvika yela ndophajiwa. Akasikone uchita.
Jobek wadina ndakuyo
Jobek wadina. Romu.
Yeah, man, back to that thing, team.
Just
I feel like, guys, let's support each other. It's the only way we're gonna grow. Subscribe, Banika the Black Couch. If there's other podcasts, you find that's interesting, also do subscribe. Enjoy the content. All I trying to them are the same thing in a different way. Deliver now it matters. Those guys so maybe in a serious. You see the thing Yamakazina mean. Because then kushuta no la ramba rapedaro jinsa zazara. Then people are like, hey, the document is too much. And which is what mostly happens on this podcast yash. We're not document so called out of nowhere. And there's this podcast chijamba they bajamba in a way okay, sympathizing and then
Mara, that's just how it is with podcasts make you abizamtumti LTD abizamwe. Mara, the way they interview is not the same.
So
and then you subscribe.
It's free, guys.
I don't know why I do that.
No, like
because what do I lose?
So hey, guys, if a Galaxy boy in the all these
Galaxy,
not Galaxy boy,
not a Galaxy.
Come on.
No, don't panga white.
Not Galaxy boy.
Not Galaxy.
Pronunciation. Yeah, so. All those things I mean and then so the biggest thing yo the VBS guy.
I didn't even know him till then.
VBS kingpin sentenced to prison. The man described as the kingpin banned the Brazilian looting of more than 1.9 billion from VBS Mutual Bank has pleaded guilty to 33 charges including theft, fraud, money laundering and racketeering. Former VBS chairperson Chipiwa Matodzi appeared in the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria on Wednesday, where he pleaded guilty as part of the plea. In agreement, Matodzi admitted to being personally involved in theft more than 1.9 billion stolen from bank between 2017 and 2018. What?
How much billion? Was in that bank? Jammer at VBS you in that much. How much is in FNB? Do the man.
Dude, come on. Hey, no invent something.
Yo. In a year. And I bet GIO to go to withdraw it. So more also in a hosara.
Yo. Throughout the proceedings, Matodzi was dressed in a grey suit. Okay. Wafa was wearing a black dress. So, and go for heads. He was in a grey suit, cutting. Hey, I don't tell you. Figure is what could I describe? Hey, Varna. And then after his legal aid lawyer read the plea agreement into the record, Jude Mukoni Musopa said he was satisfied that Matodzi had admitted all the allegations leveled against him, and that is guilty of the offenses he was charged with. Moving on to the sentencing. Okay, let's run up first. He was sentenced to 15 years for each. Zine aziko rana concurrently. So ziko rwa each after the other.
How do you life is man?
No, life is that. Remember life in 25. So 25 times 33. So for 15 times 33. So no matter yellow blood.
Okay, so no zov the una mingwa mingana otua.
495.
Mingwa 495.
495 years.
Okay, ichibu iso eko yaka 200 and something. Is that how we count? I'll divide
because you know also fee so
it was still
2 something.
So that's why I was scoring. What was one panaming was scoring because he's never coming back then.
Here's the thing, man. This guy, he didn't come up. And I kept on asking people around, I had 10 million VBS. The bank went bankrupt. Wait, fine. Yeah, bankrupt. Yeah, so netim nanga guy. Have you to one eye? I was like, damn. So I don't feel insurance ya banga mean in the Kodona Chidianga.
Oba was an HPSN. Jambor Obazongo insurance with the
He was the CA.
Because he knew what he wanted to do then. I don't know. Mara, there's a board. Would you want a board? Board your 3 years of those insurance?
Probably they felt like at the even goes up. Because I remember
the insurance thing is tricky when it comes to money because how do I ensure money yobiwa opportunity aingotodzura nga hard cash? Because it's like it's stored. It's
It will be tricky because how are you then saying Richard
that's my chat.
So
that's what I'm saying.
None insurance don't insure.
I think that's why was na insurance yachred. You can only have insurance yasuza tangible ngori. What do you mean no insure Bitcoin? It doesn't exist. It's anikunu ifara nikothos gana mean.
Last today. I saw this other video of him also.
Banga namba ba insure chipato cha banga urare yaswa or something. Mara banga si insure. Yeah, I guess.
Hey, let's say that 1.9 billion.
Mara obviously kadiba hone, eh?
Where's that list here? Key list here, what you want? Let's go through the list here. What? No, it's people. People are out there.
Oh, visa from the statement.
Venda and his associates 136, 669. Hey, 936,669,000. 111. Ni Venda and associates. I'm more Venda and Yanikana. And the chief former he got 325,896,831 rand.
Okay.
And then
when you want the rent in a sense.
Okay, Free State Development, yeah. Oh, ANC Fiona 2 million.
Oh.
Kabelo Mutipe Tim Devi Civilo. EFFA ni was Brian Shibambu. Ndiye neti? Brian Shibambu on the wa Floyd Shibambu. He got 16,148,000. We found the individuals going to organization kind of the Venda King Tony Mpepu. He never talk what is angai on 17,729,758.
I want to understand. Tumanim. Vakodziwana in what way? Which way do you mean?
I'm gonna don't send it on top. Then did I wallet? Yep, guy, 19 million.
No, because officer like what do you mean? Vakodziwana in what way? Are they all friends?
Probably.
The
way you know, na friend is on that is now stole the ticket. Not na carry with a black couch. Not na rwa. So lela gang it antu. Yolanda membu zichopan. So I also saw the video ya chippy works go. India mini. Alela video ne.
Yo, guys, no ways.
And
that's a
then
lot of money. Mara usingakhathi iti.
I don't think you want mara we janga umwa echred.
So
that's a good question. Or what happens to the king of Venda now? What of Pharaoh comes at
do you think that's the department I make you feel okay?
On is it 90,000? Which he spoke about. So it doesn't make sense.
People just couldn't wait. But you they wanted to come for him so bad.
But then,
and Abon was young.
It was so fun. They were what was Abon. But one has snippets all the time. So I was like, hey. And then speaking of that, Mama Joy, we rambang on a previous episode which we actually right down to Nankori, why because she's watching all these things. Like I don't have a mushumo. Because what could read as we now I understood which you the lady who won a border, but we have a read about it. Cricket.
Oh, hey.
So now I get in Uri about to position a lot. Which now I feel like I understood what you want to board because she loves soccer. And then all of a sudden, when you go on as cricket, what do you do? You're going to do you cricket.
Entitlement.
Then I was like, no ways, guys. We can't
so
do
that.
Hey, no, na maginya. Okay, man, so much angador. Nah, what if I start to not disclose? Did you scrap out with it? No comes at the border, so now.
Uko tambla pirates.
Hey, yeah, border, that's so cool. Like, why is so right? So I was like, and then also Makazi never could read or
Hey, Makazi.
I mean, when I'm talking about Makazi does all these things for pity. What do you think?
Yeah. What do you think?
I'm asking you. Please answer this question first. Come, Mike. Come on, I'm ready, Mike.
I hope it's true again.
Ndikonyaga yanu.
I don't know, see? Mara, when I saw the video, hila your recorded YouTube and whatever. Personally, I didn't buy it. Too much the story because I've seen magazine designer and stuff. I've never seen magazine Tambura, you know. I've seen her achinga ushapu. So, but then again, I was just like to myself, you never know because ningaona would design as a rengo vamrao.
Yeah.
So the pity party, okay, the pity party iko dangori ufi orimin. Is it coming just from that?
Ela yor ukamuzori ndo wana cherede yotant. I had to go to, and that's what she does all the time. Remember, makazuto rach nimcheke ini shunga zwaso. Umodiva kore ndo ita mini like I had to like borrow money, all these things. Even if you remember the open mic thing. I understand about coming use, and I mean, I think problem you are Rita D, because after she was used by Rita D, she came out, people assisted her. Now she's like, oh, this is how it works. You just have to do this. Utanga innocent Sadiq is how they would. She's giving those vibes.
Hula one stressa.
Go stressa nantu. Na mzimu zino. Ndimtu wa mzimu abola.
Hula mtu one stressa. What is that? Ajitoni maralojo.
Vatu vanjiri chiri draga ba anori vada.
No, asi draga. No,
that thing, no, man.
So the pity party thing might be true. I don't know udzula akwenye ngoba victim. Una watu vane vatofuna udzula vakuva victim. Na watu vanofuna vutungu. Ni afuna upera vutungu.
Yeah, I feel like I was like, no.
Yo, I hate pity. Do you like pity?
Nah, man.
Nendito bedwa namusi. If I'm not okay, I'll try to stay away from people because I don't want you guys to say sorry. I hate
people,
feeling weak because I feel weak.
Because I'm going to have to hide my feelings. That's what I would do. No,
I'm like, when I'm not okay, I'm at my weakest. And I don't know. So my friends will complain, no, Mara, you need to allow us to be there. I'm like, I don't have it in me.
Exactly.
No, I'm used to coping with that. And people should allow me. That's just my character. I don't want the whole world to know, oh my God, it's not like... So I think, I don't know, that's weird though. Why unamtu? And I don't know if you're there's posting and there's... no nkanguri ndione nkumbuleni zvino ndikabendolobeliwa last year no hangu aveiwe. You get what I'm saying?
Another heavenly birthday afupa story last year bo
nemara ndiyaita heavenly birthday nkombora this year ndo ringana cake
mara
mara ndo ndito ilando kumura tikobudza vatu mara I still do that
zvino avala ndivona kokuri rikuposta heavenly birthday
because ne for me ndivandonotodhowela uri I like on that day ngamandisa ari muthu ane we used to spend birthdays together in my head I'm like okay I feel like I need to do something. It's for myself, not
also you don't post a person all of a sudden actually want to momo poster that thing.
That one is a problem.
Yeah,
that one is a problem. Mara are umutu ane nobody could post every day. Then yeah, makes sense.
And I wanted to ask you this thing too. Okay. It's a simple thing. I didn't know. Yeah, and I don't know about how many siblings do you have?
3.
Okay, 3 siblings. In and with the siblings in the all
yeah, the sibling younger.
Siblings. And how many siblings do you have? Arena 2. I'm like, oh, okay. I know the
okay.
Yeah, so now that she was telling me, you actually do you know you actually covered you were the spoiled one. I was like, I was gonna make a face as we did this come. Like we did everything for you, and then I was like, oh, okay. And then I sat and thought this thing to myself, Ori, here's the thing. Your family is worth 10,000, then they give you 500 rand. And then years later, your family is worth 10 billion. 1 million.
1 million.
1 million.
10 billion.
Hey, 10 billion. Apo page, papa mungwana. Kabi ba bili ninyo spoil of it.
Ndini. No,
not go one.
Mara hela 10,000 yobva 500 ka 10,000 hapa nono ko 1 million ka 10 billion.
Doesn't want so maybe don't make a sense nanga about it. if they spend 20% of what they had, which was 500, see? So 20% of 500, work on it for 500, and then the 10% as well now. And then they spend only 5% of what they have. In a 10K. Jean. Apo pito spoilo mpio. Kabo bana mavili.
Ini.
Ugondo for 20% yantu.
Bonipa nji. Bonipa more than what they had. But also what you bonipa 5% because at that time they didn't even have much.
Marundo furana.
Arko
Like no way.
purana.
If my sister gets 1 million, you know, I should want 10 billion. She can do whatever she wants. Never 500.
At that time you could do it. Niko hangu na currency we ani ngachunga jana.
Hey mara no way.
Ini niko zumra zore right kono watu right kono gaza that 300 rand ndo serala.
Ndachi ula ubega
food na full in sliders.
The 2 rand.
Yes, the sliders.
So every Friday ndachi ku.
So abechi gwena zvino are chafichi kwa 3 pini chitu. Chako 1000. Chichisi wanange 3 pini. Hanga ali udola ngmadwo pesa ri vlo java ka 2000 ko mona udola 2 days your pesa
sana kuzumula uri aba mtu vakora kutadza kana mimi
nani spoiled zokuma kadiva spoiled.
No, what do you mean kadiva spoiled?
You are bako diambore na zvino ni stoda chitu vanipa
ini who's the spoiled one now?
It's probably our last born Luisa.
Okay.
Ini ngadiva spoiled ngori ini ngadikonuri
naspira it's fine.
Ndikodamba na mianga uri van sponsoring a camera. My nigga, you are 30 soon. You are
30 soon.
I bet ini ni marume zvino rufuni happy una mean you are part of the uncles. If you are drunk, you are the drunk uncle. Nikadiri yeah mianga ndidomba my boy relax. What do you mean mianga?
So
what do you mean mianga?
That's just it, man. What else was happening this week? The bench line no pire sari
BET makadiramba bubi pezza rugo biara congratulations cuz ngori ndo no jamba la same tingo ipedza that's why. Oh yeah, she did well. Don't want obvious at all kwedasa.
Can't tando
nafa ngengeno oita ke
ilenge uvongoita apuluka na otha naga 8 day nukusha uzwipa ngodofini kola mbesha also.
I know mara congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations on that. And then anything else? The thing is fetch checker na shit. So yeah, and if you need denge in FM.
Look what do you?
To TV no.
Mara net na blackout jums.
Mara T at the calls they want to ask you wakwe in passport ozini. Nichipu yo.
Na mara ndiva ndidonga the weekend phase. Wait, haiti during the week ula.
I don't know. Yeah, but then anyway, and then also ndo na tendo FM ya zokwa. Mama changana. Ini mwana DM azunguriruwa mwana. Ini mama utaka kusukamba radio ngori kutacheza wake guru. Wewe bwana radio DM. Radio FM mama changana. Ili mina zala mzalo ako diva.
Mama changana.
They mix languages, I think. They can speak English, just like Univen also. Yeah, so yeah, they do that. So I was like, yeah. Shout out to the interview. Feels like, really like, I don't know what they're going to say. But you was in. I don't remember.
Nenda doesn't want to miss a game, Nanti. Titamina can be crashes with you, but don't make me play any games. It's not what I mean, Tambo. So, don't do my. So,
another last thing I wanted to say. Namsi, you know the big zingan. I think we're approaching that. Okay. So Namsi is 19, Kabat Wanokobona, and then Una is 26. So the 2, 9, 16, and 23, we need a cost. From whenever you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 5 feet. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back in one for something huge. And then
something huge.
And then for this thing, not focus go
rechange it. Like every week we go to a different.
I don't know how would you want to do it?
I think I would want to have what if ndaita na mutinda vandiza kumufuna endraro no mubudzoro kuita 5 weeks. So let's give people a chance.
Okay, so anyone wants to be the co-host who's female, Bararu can to cover 5 days. Okay, yeah. Let's do 4 max.
Any mbula emotional.
Sorry. Sorry. I don't say la ntuti. Mini sense. Mara, yeah. So people have been asking me, what about that girl? Ako coast. They were like, Neri chamba I also want to do this thing. How do I join? So I'm like, isn't the chamba makumon? so mapungo sokore ndozvibona ka podcast unozvibona in the first 5 minutes and then ichapedza na video. So only those ones vanenge vakunya kuita. Hasi da mutu guys ndobuya nemunhu. Ingatsi mbali ntukura ne ntito ishuma.
Anga voice yamsazi.
Yeah, ndatoba fact check. So yeah, I don't think there's anything else. So if you guys wanna,
how are we gonna choose? But the way choose a rose examini. How are we gonna decide? Who's
just be. That's a tricky one.
Although and the song will just be vibrant and whatever, because it's going to be conversations. You know how we as
be
women
able to conversate.
Be able to conversate. I'll know him to your papa. No. Let's have namsimuno papa. My chero mwa So it's not gonna be interviews. It's diaries.
It's diaries, not
so
interviews.
So we are not getting.
Somebody mentioned profile yanga ke guys. Nimbudise ezna ezna. Arikodoni budisa.
And the wambu angopedze rari vula DM nkuvula DM dzanvavana.
Yeah, just start with that. So yeah.
Ambulisa yanga ndolira.
Initi ndo unyibasa. Ningotenda. Ningotuma divya.
Kadise phone.
Hey, kadise phone hapo. Rakomthora. So yeah, something like that guys. If you know any female lady and around Joburg, anything, kadenge no shoot. Be on the black couch. Who knows? Maybe.
Asonga bachisemana ngomata majivenda ne.
Mara awula so kodya chivenda.
No, ndikuti amba ula ushapu dukamari asingatsimana.
Man, asonga semana. Let's just say that. Asonga semana. Na semana zoit. I will fucking do semana.
Man, fuck you.
Oh, okay.
Na chivenda no you have yo.
Yeah, so if you feel like you're that person, do send us a DM, ka black couch you. And then yeah, that will be it. Just a DM. I was quite naka TikTok. You can send a DM. Karen, what was TikTok? So
we want 4 people.
4 people, 4 female.
And also 2 weeks. So
yes.
We'll soon.
Maybe fast. And then
fast.
Yeah. What else if you send a video call? I don't think we'll do that.
We don't want
if you
that.
can come, maybe Rico shoot maybe your feds and then 30 you guys come now when koso going to fact check on apply ni kwama sa ku ghost.
Kana we can go through area to bona stories and muthu ni amubona uri energy yawe yani. You can just go through their
energy mkone yani.
Chirwa lichi chisadze. Most one videos zvacho.
Let's see you on the other one next week.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's it. Anything out here now? Are we done, guys? Should we close?
You
wanna pray?
Huh?
This soul.
Go to running faster this year, this mid-June.
I forgot there are 14 days.
But they were here and do
Somebody in last standing on it 3 days.
Never.
I don't do 7 days.
Never. 7 days is normal. 7 days is normal.
It's Zenimaton.
Ras 1890, Venda. Mission into headquarters. Was it not 9 at some point?
7. It's always been 7.
Yes, I told me Thursday, Sunday. Yeah, next week.
So when the last year Toma, Nikadila. But then
Sunday now in Shala.
Sunday now in Shala. You to manga Friday.
When you know what Mavako is June.
Yeah, I'm going to carry us na grozare.
So
we're out, guys. Bye.
And then you have friends around. Kuruku kwa tendo kukolenda. Gabata kukumo.
Tina we're done. Yes.
No, again, what's your chudik?
Cat, no cat on the door.
Yes. Come out and telephone, eh?
Yes.
Yes. Are you pregnant? Yes. Are you hungry? Yes.
Mm.